Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming essential items and a safe spot. Pour clean paraffin to about 2/3. This prevents overflow and allows vapor space. Once filled, prime the wick briefly, light for 3–5 seconds, then blow out to preheat the burner. This warms the fuel channel so vapor forms reliably. Make sure to tighten the cap and position the stove on a stable, heat-proof surface. If smell appears, open ventilation and wait. You now light the warmed wick and immediately monitor the flame. A steady blue core means efficient combustion. Once lit, close the priming cap and open the fuel valve gradually to raise heat. This prevents sputter and black smoke. Make sure the pot sits squarely on the stove grate for even heat transfer. If you need more heat, increase fuel flow in small increments. Watch the color. Keep a small tool handy to trim or reposition the wick for consistent performance. You finish by closing the fuel valve completely and allowing the stove to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Hot metal stores heat and can burn you. Once cool, cap the tank and store in a ventilated dry place to avoid condensation that clogs jets. If you see soot, lower the fuel flow and clean or replace the wick. Soot means poor combustion from dirty fuel or low temperature. If the flame sputters, check for air leaks at joints and ensure the valve and wick channel are clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.